I am so excited to present to you guys 14388 Old Creek Road right here in Scripps Ranch. This property is in the Stonebridge Estates and it's completely amazing. And so we're gonna do a quick property tour. So as you can see, right when you walk in, you'll notice the original hardwood floors for this property. And then this area actually has a pool table, which could be either your formal dining room or it could be that formal living room area. And right here in the front of the property as well, you're gonna notice you have a room here. It could be a bedroom. Right now they have it staged or set up as a music room, but this could be a great office as well. And then here we have our half bathroom. So half bathroom has the tile floors, the really nice toilet, and it's just perfect for the guests to come use this bathroom. We have a couple closets here, but we're gonna work our way down to the kitchen area. And the kitchen is my favorite part, or one of my favorite parts. So as you can see here in the kitchen, we have this large marble island, and then you have the double appliances here, you have the large fridge, you have the walk-in pantry, and then back here on the back side of the kitchen, you have your dishwasher, you have your faucet with the black finishes, and then I love this KitchenAid stove and hood. It just adds that extra elegant touch to this kitchen. We're gonna work our way down into the living room area. This property is over 4,000 square feet. It's on a 18,000 square foot lot, and it just has a ton of space with 5+ bedrooms, which I'll show you all of those rooms here shortly. So we have the living room here, and then we have our formal dining room here. I love this little addition of the nice, beautiful chandelier. Let's go outside right now, and then I'll show you guys the rest of the bedrooms as well. So outside, you have a lot of space out here. Again, this lot size is 18,000 square feet. So you have a lot of patio areas here. We have an outdoor kitchen, which I really love here. Outdoor kitchen has the nice countertops as well. So the quartz countertops here. You have your appliances in here, the large barbecue grill, huge side yard, and then behind us here in the full backyard, we have the half-court basketball court, and then we have a large yard, and then we have the jacuzzi tub out here in the backside. Let's go jump back inside though. I wanna show you guys the bedroom and bathroom downstairs. And on this wing, we do have the laundry room. So laundry here is actually downstairs. So laundry room is pretty spacious here. You have the washer dryer units, but you also have the sink. And then right next to the laundry room, you have this downstairs bedroom, which is very spacious. And the downstairs bedroom also has access to the backyard. And then it does have its ensuite bathroom, again with the tile floors, and then the full walk-in shower. I do want to show you guys the garage as well. So this garage is pretty cool because it is a 4-car garage, but it's a double tandem garage. So you can stack 2 cars on each row here. They have it set up right now with a gym and it has a lot of storage space, but I love this garage. This house does have this little outside area too. So we have the ping pong table set up right here, but this is a great space for another barbecue grill, maybe a fire pit, and a place to hang out and entertain. So right when you go upstairs, you can go right or you can go left. So we're gonna go right really quick. On the right side, there's one bedroom here, kind of standalone bedroom. So again, the bedrooms here are all very spacious because this property is over 4,000 square feet. And then this bedroom does have an ensuite bathroom. So the ensuite has a walk-in shower as well. And let's take a look at the rest of the bedrooms. So right when you walk to the other side of the hallway, you'll have this large loft, which doesn't count as one of the bedrooms. So this could be potentially bonus room number 6. And so the loft opens out into 2 bedrooms here. So you have your other spacious bedroom right here. And this bedroom has a really nice view to the back side of the house. And then another bedroom here, which also has nice views to the back side of the house. And again, it's very spacious. And then you have your shared bathroom right here. Shared bathroom has your double vanities, your toilet room, and your tub and tile shower combo. And then let's work our way to the primary bedroom. So the primary bedroom, as you walk right into the doorway, you can go right or left, right to the bathrooms, left to the bedroom. So the bedroom has a walk-in closet here, a large spacious bedroom here, but then it also has this bonus room here that could be great for an office, an additional bedroom, an exercise room, meditation room, something like that. And then we'll work our way down this way. And over here we have additional space. We have some storage here as we're walking towards the bathroom, but then you have your large soaker tub, you have your his and her vanities, you have your makeup area here, and then you have a walk-in shower here, toilet rooms on this side, And then you have another walk-in closet here. So the upstairs primary bedroom has 2 walk-in closets, your tub, your showers, everything you need up here. And so we'll work our way back to the loft, and that is the property tour. So if you or anyone you know is looking for a place right here in Stonebridge Estates in Scripps Ranch, this property is 5 bedrooms. It's 4.5 bathrooms. It's over 4,000 square feet. The lot is over 18,000 square foot lot, and it could be perfect for you or anybody you know. So feel free to reach out to us today.